All right, well, tomato struck again, so here we go. I had planted a scrap onion in the homemade potting soil with my own compost, so on and so forth. And as I've said before, I'm not perfect at hot composting. And I grew a bunch of tomatoes. So today we're going to check out what the onion scrap looked like after a certain amount of time. I'll have to put that on the screen for you. So first we're just going to pop her open. All right, well, that's not a good start or impressive at all. Tomatoes smell good. So that was like a whole bowl of onion. It didn't even put on roots. That's crazy. The tomato. That one's looking kind of sad, so we're going to work with him today. Oh, and we got another little broadleaf plantain, and then that tomato is going to definitely need potted into the cups again. Another broadleaf plantain. Oh, yeah. Hee hee. And we got another worm. Oh, is that another one? Nope. Okay, cool. Yeah, so the onion scrap did nothing. Like, there's no bulbing. It barely grew any onion. So, yeah, that's not fun. We'll have to add that broadleaf plantain to the collection. So we're just going to go ahead and put the onion at the bottom of this cup. Pinch that guy off. Start over because I'm an idiot. Damn, that's twice. Did the same damn dumb thing. A little sage in the bottom of there ain't gonna hurt nothing. A little bit of the happy frog. So I just realized they don't even have this on YouTube. It's Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok, but not YouTube. That's word. That's word. But anyway. Try to resurrect that guy. And then this guy is ready for the 3 gallons. Fill it about halfway up. Ooh. That wouldn't have been fun at all. This is the boring part. All right, I'm going to set them outside. I'm going to water them deep. If you like the content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.